Dear children, today we will discuss about the fourth chapter, India towards New Era. The modern generation has no direct experience of the evil customs and superstitions prevailed in our society. Now we are going to discuss the social evils and practices prevailed in India. Please listen the text. India towards a new era. It was AD 1612 to 16. A day in Surat. A Benjamin was dead. The body is being carried away for cremation to the burial ground. Hundreds of people accompany the funeral procession. Wife of the deceased is accompanied by relatives and maids. She has put on new clothes and ornaments as if she is about to enter the bridal chamber. The dead body is placed on the funeral pyre. Benjamin was dead. People took a body to burial ground for cremation. Cremation എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ശവസംസ്കാരം. Hundreds of people accompany the funeral procession. Many people follow with the funeral procession. Funeral procession is ശവസംസ്കാര ജാഥ. Wife of the deceased is accompanied by relatives and maids. The wife of the dead man is accompanied by female servants and relatives. Deceased and dead man artham. She has put on new clothes and ornaments as if she is about to enter the bridal chamber. She was wearing new clothes and jewelry like she was going for the marriage. Bridal chamber എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ വിവാഹവേദിയിലേക്ക് പ്രവേശിക്കുന്ന പോലെ അവൾ ഒരുങ്ങിയൊക്കെയാണ് പോകുന്നത്. The dead body is placed on the funeral pyre. The dead body is put on the funeral pyre. Funeral pyre എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ pyre means chida. She circles the pyre 3 times and sits on it, placing her husband's head on her lap. She surrounded the pyre 3 times and sit on the top of it. She put her husband's head on her lap. Lap എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ മടിത്തട്ട്. She is going to accompany her husband to the other world. That was the belief. The belief was that she was going to other world with her husband. Firewood is placed around her. Ghee, oil and perfumes are showered over her and the fire is lit. She was covered with firewood, ghee, oil, perfumes, etc. And the fire is lit. Fire is lit means chidakku thee koluttunna. Then she was not more than 10 years old and had not even lived with her husband. She was only 10 years old and had not started to live with her husband. Still, she as a wife was burned alive in the fire, even though she was burned alive with her husband in the fire. William Foster, CIE, Early Travels in India, 1583 to 1619. This is the description on Sati, an evil practice that prevailed in India. Several such social evils and practices prevailed in India. Can you name some of them? Here is the description of Sati. What is Sati? Sati, the great social evil which existed in the past was Sati. Sati involved the custom of a Hindu widow burning herself along with the body of her dead husband. അതായത് ഹസ്ബൻഡ് മരിച്ചാൽ ഭാര്യമാർ ആ ചിതയിൽ ഭർത്താവിനോട് കൂടി തന്നെ എരിഞ്ഞടങ്ങണമെന്നായിരുന്നു അന്നത്തെ ഒരു വിശ്വാസം. ആ വിശ്വാസമാണ് സതി എന്ന് അറിയപ്പെടുന്നത്. ചിതയിൽ അവരെ കൂടെ ദഹിപ്പിക്കും. Then several such social evils and practices prevailed in India. This types of social evils and practices existed in India. Can you name some of them? 1. Child marriage. What is a child marriage? It was existed. What is that? Then another social custom that prevailed in the past was child marriage. The marriage was done at a very early age. Then next, prohibition on widow remarriage. Widows were not allowed to marry again. Next, human sacrifice. Sacrifice humans as a part of സൂപ്പർസ്റ്റിഷ്യൻസ്, അന്ധവിശ്വാസങ്ങളുടെയൊക്കെ ഭാഗമായിട്ട് മനുഷ്യരെ ബലി കൊടുക്കുന്നതിനാണ് ഹ്യൂമൻ സാക്രിഫൈസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ദെൻ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഫീമെയിൽ ഇൻഫൻറ്റിസൈഡ്സ്, കില്ലിംഗ് ദ ഫീമെയിൽ കിഡ്സ് അറ്റ് ദ ടൈം ഓഫ് ബർത്ത്, പെൺ ശിശുഹത്യ എന്നൊക്കെ പറയും. ദെൻ സ്ലേവറി, ദ കസ്റ്റം ഓഫ് ബൈയിങ് ആൻഡ് കില്ലിംഗ് ഹ്യൂമൻസ് and make them work just like animals. Once more, listen. Slavery, the custom of buying and selling humans and make them work just like animals. The next, caste system. You can complete, you write here caste system. Jati Vyavastha. Then next, one more we want to write here. You find out it and write it. Then there are several social evils and practices prevailed in India. Examples: child marriage, prohibition on widow remarriage, human sacrifice, female infanticides, slavery, caste system, etc. Hope all of you understood it. Thank you.